Where's the coffee?
Oh. Oi! Stop smacking my guitar.
Shit, Dad! Hey, stop that.
Stop trying to play guitar. I'll teach you one day if you want.
Do you want to play guitar? Oh my god. Oh, let's open the window. Oh my god. Buzz in. Oh. Hang on.
That's some shit.
Oh my god. Hello. Oh my god. Oh, look. Look outside. Look. Look out the window. This way, because it's better, you've got more space. Wait, where is that?
Oh, that looks nice.
Oh, I can f***ing see. What? Oh, well, we were. There we go.
Sun's coming up. Morning everyone. How are you all doing? From Tennessee. But we've got to move because we've parked in the only spot in the lake with no sun, because I'm an idiot. So we're just going to move to the other side. I think I found another spot. This road's so busy. It feels like we're in a completely different place. Oh, we are.
What's what?
No, but you know what I mean.
It's so smart. I like. Baby lip.
Feels like a different, I don't know, country. Look at this for a contrast compared to the last few weeks. This is exactly what bit of sunbathing. Mad, we've only come down about, I think we're about 400 metres of sea level here, and Chamonix is about 1100. Just that difference. Go on, give it a bash.
Ice cold. Do not be defeated by the sun.
But-
Right to my boat.
Boston, are you alright? In my ear. I like
You're fit.
just had to break into my own van because the side door lock, don't fit, was rusted solid and then the key snapped. So I've just wasted the whole day. Sun's gone. Breaking into this. That's what it looks like now.
Crackers.
And to drill all the bottom out and then drill a hole in there and push the pin through. It took me about, how long?
Like
2 hours, 3 hours?
About 3 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, because I've been cleaning, so it's taken 3 hours to
But someone who knew what they were doing, because I spent the first hour trying to pick out the key with the drill bit, because I didn't want to break it. Someone clever could probably get in there in 10 minutes with a powerful enough drill.
My gloves!
Aww. So we're sacking these locks off and getting some better ones. For sure. Dirty, dirty. Oh, I'll put this shit away. Oh, folks. Sorry, not filmed much else today. We've literally just had dinner, watched a film, and now we're going to bed because we're both knackered. So, try and film a bit more tomorrow. I'll see you all in a bit.